Keep doing it. Oh, you should have heard her. She was going crazy. She's like, I just laid an egg. I just laid an egg. So we have a new hen. And she's right over here. We tried introducing her, but that didn't go so well. The other ones kept pecking at her and stuff like that. So we decided to separate her. She has some pecking wounds. So now we're trying to heal her, make her feel better. Separated her and everything. And here she is. Now we're just trying to start all over with her. So here she is. I don't know what breed she is. Whoa. That is so weird. What is she doing? Anyways, there she is. We got her food here. And her water. And we have a little nesting box there. It's just a little mango box filled with hay. We have a little fake egg there. That way she knows that there she can lay her little eggs whenever she's ready to lay. But there she is. You definitely know she's a bit older than the other ones because she's been molting like really badly, and we're not used to seeing chickens molt because the ones we already have are pretty young. So like seeing her, it's like, whoa. They do tend to look a little weird when they're molting, that's for sure. But she's so sweet and beautiful. But yeah, that's how she is. Here are the other ladies that were being mean to her, right? You guys weren't supposed to be mean to her. Look at them. Now the little ones are hanging out with the big ones, the chicks. They're having fun together. Yeah. Hey. Whoa. That's scary. Pecking order is not fun, but it is a must. Yeah, one of the little ones have been laying lately. Yeah, we're gonna check out the nesting boxes, see who's been laying, who laid already. One. And a few are in there. Let me get them. We got 3 eggs so far. Look at them. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, very hardworking ladies. You guys are very sweet. I really appreciate your hard work and your persistence, and I really, really appreciate your service. And you guys are very lovely. Sometimes moody, but very lovely. So we took the new little hen away from the shed. That way she could have a little time Her name is HayHay, by the way. Right, little HayHay? Yeah, it looks like she did lay down in the nesting box, but she did not lay. But that's alright. Sometimes in the winter, chickens do stop. Hey, wait a minute, that's an egg. What is an egg doing there? Who decided to lay outside of the nesting boxes? That is not good. Guys, you were not supposed to lay there. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. No, you're not supposed to lay here. There's a nesting box over there for a reason. Oh boy, that's not good. That's not good. Excuse me. Okay. She laid over there for some reason. Okay. Either a new chicken decided to lay there, or I don't know what happened. That's making me think that they decided it's okay to lay somewhere else and not in the nesting boxes. You guys are supposed to teach the new ladies to lay in the nesting boxes, not anywhere else. I hope there's nothing over there. Oh boy. That's not okay, you guys. Let me go check if there's any. Let me check it first if there's any chickens laying. I'm gonna check. There's a chicken. Nope, no eggs. Currently. But that's interesting. I've never seen a chicken lay outside the nesting box. But here we have an egg that has been laid in the coop. Chickens. What are we gonna do with these chickens? Oh, the only thing we can do is love them, take care of them, right? I hope she's enjoying it. Okay, you guys, so here we are, day number 2 of being in the cage with the chicken. She's just laying down there. It looks like she might have laid. Maybe. Hopefully she did. I'm really hoping she did lay. I really want her to lay an egg. That way I know that she's okay and something's brewing in her, you know, something's going on and she's good. Like she's okay. You know what I mean? But there she is. She is so cute. Gave her a bit of more food over there. That one has more calcium and that one's like treats. So it's like chicken scratch type thing. I don't know. But if she did lay, couldn't she just have laid in the nesting box? She either doesn't like the nesting box. I don't know what's wrong. But we'll come back and see if she did lay. Hopefully she did. I just hope that if she ever does lay, I hope she gets used to laying in the box and nowhere far here, because the door to the cage is over there and I can't really reach all the way here. You know what I mean? But I'll leave you to your business. I'm sorry if I'm bothering you. Here are the other ones. Say hello to the video. Oh, the cute little ladies. Oh, look, she's digging a hole. Over there. Another little ladies. So cute. Okay, bye-bye.